Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to play Easy by Mercy Chinwo. The song was done in the key of B flat, but I'll be doing it in the key of D flat. So I'll transpose by 3 semitones downward. Now, let me explain what I've done to my keyboard. I split my keyboard into 2 halves. This from here, this F sharp downward, I'm using the slow string, as you can hear. Then from here upwards, I'm using the grand piano. Then I've added a little sustain to it. Okay, the reason is because as the grand piano is playing, the strings will be doing something a little bit different. This would have been better done in a situation where there are maybe 2 or 3 keyboardists doing different things, but I'm the only one, so I'll be doing them together. So if you are the only one playing in your church, you can apply similar thing. So split the keyboard into 2. In your keyboard, you'll see something called split, a function called split. Press split, change the split voice to slow string. Then it will sound like this. Then your right hand. So I'll be playing the intro of the song. It goes like this. So that's the intro of the song. Now, let me quickly tell you what I was doing. My right hand in D flat, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll be playing the normal C chord in an inversion, that is the 3, the 5, and the 1, which is the 8. So Mi, So, and Do. So it goes like this. That is the first chord, 1 chord, the 5 chord, 2, 5, 1. That is Re, So, and T, or E flat, A flat, C. Then the next chord is the 1, 4, and the 6th. D flat, F sharp, B flat. So let's take everything together. Next chord, going back to the 5 chord we played earlier. Then we hold that note again, that chord again. Then we start playing single note. Sorry, it goes like this. Okay. So now the next chord, still the 5 chord. G flat, A flat, C, E flat. Then so I'm just hitting the 5 notes together with the 1, 2, 3. Now after, then you play single notes, E, F sharp, E. Then the next note is E flat. Now when you are hitting the E flat, your hand will play the A flat together. So that rundown. D flat, C. So 2 hands from here. Thumb will play G flat, the index finger B flat, then F, A flat, E flat, F sharp. Then you stay here for a while, then you now come down to the 1 chord, or that's when the song starts. So let me play everything together. That's the intro. Okay, yeah, sorry, let me show you what the left hand was doing. Now, from the first chord, remember the first chord, the 1 chord, the left hand will play. I just added the higher octave to it of F, so, or the 3. So first chord for the right hand, corresponding note for the left hand is F. Second chord, G. Third chord, still G. Then you walk down, F sharp, F, E flat, T flat. So let me show you. Okay, now you now get to the D flat. So when you get to the E flat, the right hand chord will change to the. Then, so let me take it again. Sorry, let me take that again. Then from here you go. Remember our walk up. So the same thing with the left hand, but you can play the octave. Then that is B flat, C, E flat. Then your right hand will play the E flat, the G flat, the A flat major chord. So officially the same thing with the right hand. The walk of 1, 2, 3. Then you stay here. Then when your right hand plays the, by the time you hit the E flat, your left hand will play. Remember our right hand is playing the A flat and the E flat together. So the left hand will play the A flat note. So the left hand will play something like this. So it goes like this. Let me take that again. Now let me play the intro from the beginning. So now You can go back, watch the video all over. You can slow it down if you didn't get the chords. The second part of this video, I'll be showing you the chords to the song. It's a very simple song, and it's just a repetition till the end. So God bless you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Drop your comments if you have anything to talk about, any additions, subtractions. Thank you.